Ukraine's first F-16s arrived in August 2024, with 24 delivered by the Netherlands, followed by 18 from Denmark and 12 from Norway. Pilots trained under NATO supervision in Arizona, Romania, and Denmark, completing intensive programs focused on precision strike, low-altitude bombing, and electronic warfare. By late 2025, over 40 aircraft are operational, with more expected from Belgium, Greece, and Sweden. These jets are now flying daily missions across the Eastern Front, targeting Russian logistics hubs, artillery positions, and hardened infrastructure. The F-16's strike capability is built around its ability to deliver precision-guided munitions. Joint Direct Attack Munitions, commonly known as JDAMs, are GPS-guided bombs that convert unguided munitions into smart weapons. Ukraine's F-16s can carry the GBU-31, a 2,000-pound bomb used for hardened bunkers and deep targets, the GBU-38, a 500-pound bomb for tactical strikes, JDAM extended range variants with a reach of up to 72 kilometers. The GBU-39B small diameter bomb, allowing multi-target payloads with high precision. Each F-16 can carry up to 8 bombs using BRU-61 pylons, enabling simultaneous strikes on multiple targets. In Donetsk, Ukrainian F-16s destroyed a Russian command post buried under reinforced concrete using 2,000-pound bombs. In Luhansk, a radar station supporting missile launches was disabled with a coordinated JDAM strike, confirmed by satellite imagery. In Kherson, a logistics hub supplying artillery units was hit, disrupting supply lines for over 72 hours. These missions are coordinated with drone surveillance, satellite feeds, and forward observers. F-16s fly low-altitude ingress routes, using terrain masking and electronic countermeasure pods to avoid detection. JDAMs have a circular error probable under 13 meters, meaning they can reliably hit small hardened targets with minimal collateral damage. Ukraine has also used JDAMs to strike bridges, fuel depots, and command bunkers in occupied territory, often in tandem with HIMARS and drone attacks. The combination of speed, payload flexibility, and precision makes the F-16 a uniquely effective strike platform in Ukraine's current battlefield environment. JDAM extended range kits allow Ukrainian jets to launch from safe distances up to 72 kilometers away, keeping them outside the reach of Russian short-range air defenses while still hitting deep targets with pinpoint accuracy. What makes these missions even more effective is the tempo. Ukrainian F-16s are flying multiple sorties per day, often rearmed and refueled within 90 minutes. Each strike is part of a broader campaign, coordinated with drone reconnaissance, artillery shaping fires, and electronic jamming. In the eastern sectors, JDAM-equipped F-16s have been used to soften Russian defensive lines ahead of armored pushes, targeting trench networks, fortified bunkers, and mobile command vehicles. The aircraft's onboard systems allow pilots to adjust targeting mid-flight, responding to real-time intelligence and shifting battlefield conditions. This flexibility means Ukraine can hit targets of opportunity, like mobile radar trucks or ammunition convoys, without waiting for pre-planned strike windows. The result is a dynamic, responsive strike capability that's forcing Russian units to disperse, relocate, and operate under constant threat. Belgium is retiring its F-16 fleet and preparing 30 aircraft for transfer. The United States has approved support packages for training, maintenance, and spare parts. Ukraine is building regional maintenance hubs in Poland and Romania, with NATO logistics pipelines for munitions and upgrades. Future missions will include deeper strikes into occupied territory, targeting command nodes, airfields, and missile launchers. There's also a push to integrate JDAM extended range kits with drone targeting data, allowing real-time retargeting mid-flight. With each new delivery, Ukraine's ability to shape the battlefield grows, and the F-16 remains central to that transformation.